We seen in the previous lecture how we can create vaults to store data in Glacier. Now we will see in this lecture how we can upload objects or the archives to the vault so it can be stored. To do so, first thing first, we will need to read the stream of the file that we want to upload. So I'm gonna use file.openRead and just pass in the path of a file. I'm gonna just use the path we used in previous lectures. And now we have the stream that we need. We need to create a new upload archive request. Inside this request, we will need to pass the following. First, the vault name, the account ID, we're gonna just pass in a hyphen as usual. We will need to pass a description, but it's optional, it's not required. Also, we will need to pass the checksum. Okay, the checksum will contain like a hashed value related to the file that we are trying to upload. Now, there is a nice utility which is the tree hash generator. You just need to pass in the stream and the hash will be calculated for you. Now, what we need to do, or what we can do, is to subscribe to events inside the request upload progress. So we can go to request.streams transfer progress and add this handler. So we upload or see the progress. Notice that right here I have these arguments, and these arguments shows like the person done, how much transferred, how much byte of the file, okay, how much increment transferred. Okay, now we need to get the response and call the client of Glacier. We're gonna pass the request. Now we're gonna check if we have a success code, and it will return created. Oh, I'm sorry, response dot response.http status code dot is success, and it will return created if it succeed. I'm gonna just print out a friendly message. After that, we can see the request ID and some metadata from the response. To do so, we can print out the request ID, and this way we can see all the request ID. Also, we can iterate through the metadata that is returned for us from the client. Now we simply need to run this code. Oh, we have just a small problem. Okay, we actually forgot to pass the stream for the file. We need to pass the body and the stream, and now we will run it again. Notice that first it's gonna show us the events for the unuploaded progress, and as you notice it shows us some useful information, as well as we see the request ID that is returned for us from the AWS Glacier service.